So here's our diagram of a kidney. Kidneys are pretty cool, y'all. They receive 20 to 25% of the cardiac output. As you can see, the kidney is contained within the renal capsule. So when blood comes into our kidneys, it enters through the renal artery and branches off into other networks that filtrate the blood. As we reabsorb things that are important, they are going to collect into our renal vein and take it on its way. The functional unit of the kidney is the nephron. There are approximately 1 million nephrons in each kidney. We have blown up a nephron right here.
The nephron is responsible for filtration and collection. The first part of the nephron is called the glomerulus. It receives branches that come off the renal artery, which branch off into arterioles, which meet the glomerulus. The afferent arteriole goes towards the glomerulus, and efferent goes away from the glomerulus. In this process, a ton of fluid is filtered out of the blood and goes into this blue capsule called the Bowman's capsule. Bowman's capsule is the first part of the nephron to actually collect fluid that's going to be filtered to become urine. When someone has glomerulonephritis, the glomeruli become inflamed and the kidneys stop working properly. This can lead to too much fluid in the body, which can cause swelling in places like the face, feet, ankles, or legs.
Now that we've zoomed into the nephron, we can see the first portion of the nephron is the proximal convoluted tubule, which is very important for reabsorbing ions like sodium and chloride, but also amino acids and glucose. Next, the nephron descends deep into the kidney and back up again, called the loop of Henle. The last portion is the distal convoluted tubule, which absorbs other ions, followed by the collecting duct, which continues into the renal pelvis and ureters.